Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Bentley Continental GT. It's a V8, beautiful Damson exterior, Hot Spur interior. We'll tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are in our 2021 Bentley GT V8 twin turbo automatic Damson exterior, Hot Spur interior. We'll do a little cold start here. Foot on the brake, press the start button. She fires right up as you'd expect. We will warm her up and we will be back to you. Okay, so we have a little temperature in our 21 Bentley Continental GT V8 4-liter twin turbo automatic paddle shifting. Beautiful Damson exterior with a Hot Spur interior. Great color combination, very unique, very well optioned as well. Power everything as you'd expect in a new Bentley like this. Active all-wheel drive. Right now we're in comfort. We're in standard mode, sorry. There's a comfort mode, there's a sport mode, and then there's a custom mode as well, which you can tune to yourself. Turn around into sport mode a little bit. Exhaust changes, shifting changes. Display changes that tell you you're in sport. Those exhaust valves open up. Great little V8 rumble. Really solid as could be. 28,800 miles. Heads up display as well. Little exhaust burble too, you know what I'll do? Lower the window. Exhaust note, little burble as they say. Great responsive steering. All-wheel drive definitely helps the steering and the acceleration, puts the power down to the ground. Really solid, well-built car. Full display. You get the 3 analog dials. You can go back to the digital display as well. Full Bluetooth capabilities. You got XM satellite radio, digital climate control, touch screen. We're going to come up to the S's here. We'll put her through the paces a little bit. Okay, here we are. Responsive steering, excellent responsive steering, all-wheel drive. Just pulls this car beautifully. Acceleration, handling. True gentleman's GT. You can use this all year long. Heated seats. Fully optioned. Night vision, heads-up display. You can raise and lower the suspension. Blind spot assist. Bentley Safeguard, which is the proximity warning. Again, we're in sport mode now. Rear spoiler raises and lowers at certain speeds. So well insulated. Really floats along, but when you put it through its paces, through S's and turns, very responsive. It's a great suspension. you guys enjoyed those flybys. I definitely did. Bentley GT V8 twin turbo. It's a 4-liter V8, active all-wheel drive, plethora of options, spectacular Damson exterior with a Hot Spur interior. Also optioned with LED welcome lights. You open the doors, it has the Bentley symbol on the floor. Rotating display is an option. Chrome lower grille. Okay, we're going to come up to the farm road here. Open her up a little bit. Really, this 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. You can hear that exhaust. What a great solid car. Really, this is a car you can drive anywhere and everywhere, cross country, locally. Great car to be out and about. So comfortable. True testament to what a Bentley should be. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Again, 21 Bentley GT V8. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.